Just use the K256 and you'll match 100%. Personally use it myself. I don't make my audience big. I just use it as a lookalike, but this is my same audience I've been using since October. And with the audiences, I don't market ever directly to the people. It's too expensive, really expensive. But doing lookalikes, like just the traditional way of doing it, works really well. And I don't do one campaign, right? I don't spend a lot. I spend $39 a day on Google. Here's my American audience that is a lookalike of that data section. Now I'm spending almost $10 per thousand. I took the same audience and I marketed it to India as well, by accident at first, but now it's purposely, because I'm able to get conversions for 44 cents each, and not because they're going to pay me and be a client, but it's training these different advertisements to get my cost for a credit card being entered pretty low. Like, this is an American audience retargeting, and it's now performing cheaper than the Indian audience. And I really think it has to do with the fact that I'm able to show, my ad to 25,000 people for $20. And it basically works really well. Train your American marketing with this intent data, but in a different country, because it's the same personality. If you are going to websites buying and selling data, you might go to the same crypto wallet websites. Who knows? But the point is, the patterns are similar. And I just put this new campaign doing a lookalike off of the Indian lookalike, and this is all America. And I'm paying $2 right now for credit cards being entered into the system. Now, there's no one you can pay to do this for you. I made a mistake, and I studied the mistake, and I realized, oh, this mistake was a great mistake, and that's why it's working a bit better. Because my costs have been coming down, and I haven't touched this ad at all. I mean, $50 a month. Facebook, I don't use data for, though. I don't use Facebook, just as a disclosure. Not because it doesn't work. I just have never liked Facebook ads. Quality I always thought was much lower. But the same process on Facebook, you'd be able to, on your business page, upload a custom audience and then do the same type of lookalike stuff with that.
Well, if you have a really honed in lookalike within a really small percentage and you have a big database that you're using and your budget isn't very high, you're going to make money. It's based on my experience with, you get in trouble if you try to scale it too hard. That's good to know.
I'm fairly new at this. I haven't got any sales. I've just started platform itself. Is there any way to get more accurate training videos?
Yes. So this link I'm sending you right now in the chat, this is literally the newest video that I trained someone on 2 days ago. Like I did a full onboarding with them, training them with all the new features and everything. They were trying to find franchises that were McDonald's, Chicago, very, very unique searches. And this video is definitely the most up to date with everything going on there. In the chat I just dropped, if you see that, like this whole new feature just came out too. Then our white label of this, we don't need Go High Level. I personally just use it for myself. I don't sell Go High Level, but the whole system in here is a website you can set up. So